In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host an MP4 file in your WP engine. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to host your video files quickly and efficiently on your WordPress site. So let's get started. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged in to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for all things related to your website. To do that, open your web browser and go to your domain.com/wp admin. Enter your login credentials, and you'll be taken to the WordPress dashboard, where we can begin the process. Now that you're logged in, it's time to upload your MP4 file. Navigate to the media section in the left-hand menu of your dashboard. Here, you want to click on Add New. This is where you'll upload your video file. Click on Select Files, and a File Explorer window will pop up. Find the MP4 video you'd like to host and select it. This process will upload the video to your WordPress media library and make it available for use on your site. After your video file has uploaded, you'll notice that it appears in your media library with its own file URL. It's a good idea to copy this URL, as you'll need it for embedding the video into your site's page or post. This step is crucial because it links the video to the location where you want it to appear. Next, we need to add your video to a page or post. To do this, create a new page or post, or edit an existing one where you want the video to appear. On the editing interface, you'll find a plus icon. Click this to add a new block and choose the video block option. Once selected, you'll see an input area where you can paste the URL you copied earlier from your media library. Alternatively, you can choose the file directly from the media library if you prefer. Now that the video is added to your page or post, it's important to save your changes and preview how the video looks. This step ensures everything is working as expected before making it live for your site's visitors. Use the Update or Publish button, depending on whether you're working on a draft or an already published piece of content. Then open the page to test video playback and confirm everything is running smoothly. Lastly, consider optimizing your video hosting for better performance. If you're dealing with particularly large video files or anticipating high traffic levels, it might be beneficial to host the video on platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or a content delivery network, CDN, and then embed it onto your WordPress site. This strategy can enhance playback speed and user experience across various devices and connection speeds. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded and hosted an MP4 file in your WP engine. Thanks for watching, and have fun sharing your content with the world.